everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm actually going to be taking a GCSE exam paper. I'm not actually doing the actual AQA or OCR exam paper. I've just got some questions online which are taken from GCSE exam papers and I'm basically going to see if I can pass it or not. Now obviously I'd done my GCSEs about 2 years ago. I did pass all of my GCSEs apart from RS. I got an E in RS. We're not even going to talk about that one. But apart from that, I'm not going to lie, I've done pretty well. So I'm going to take a GCSE test again and see how I do. I do think that I have forgot a lot of stuff from GCSE, like I can hardly remember any of it. So I'm really excited to give this a go and see how I do. So yeah, let's get straight on with some questions. So I've got some maths questions, English questions and chemistry questions. So first I'm going to start with the maths. Now there's 5 questions and the first one is, Andy thinks of a number. He multiplies it by 4 and then he subtracts 6. His answer is 7.2. What number did he think of? Now I hated these types of questions and they were normally in calculator exams, so I'm guessing I can use a calculator for this. So the last thing he does was subtract 6, so I'm guessing I need to add 6. He then multiplied it by 4, so I'm guessing I've just got to divide it by 4. So the answer is 3.3. That is one of the answers on the sheet, so I'm just gonna click on that one and it's right. Yes, this is going well so far. So the next question is, 10 cards have the following letters written on them and they have a bunch of letters. What is the chance of choosing Q? Now there's 10 letters, so the chance of choosing Q, there's only one Q, so you've got 1 in 10 chance. So I'm going to go with unlikely. Yes, got it right. Next question. Emma organises a disco. She sells 150 tickets at £2 each. The DJ charges her £120. She pays £50 to hire the hall. Emma wants to make £100 profit. How does she do this? She sells 150 tickets to £2 each, that's £300. The DJ charges her £120, so that's £180. She pays £50 to hire the hall, so that's £130. So yeah, yes, we're doing so well. We got 3 out of 5 so far. So text messages cost 11 pence each. How many do you get for £15? I'm not gonna lie, these questions are really flipping easy. Like the questions I had on my test were so much harder than this. So I'm guessing I'm doing 15 divided by 11, which is 136.3, and it's right. Honestly, these questions are so easy. These are like questions I've done in like year 5. Pens cost 15 pence each. A ruler costs 20 pence. Each school buys 150 pens and 70 rulers. No, not 70, 90 rulers. The total cost is reduced by 1/5. How much does the school pay? So I'm guessing this is actually like a non-calculator test because these are way too easy to do on a calculator, which is 3,848. That isn't even an option. I'm confused. I'm not gonna lie. I've messed up here. I'm gonna go with 32. Oh, it's right. Okay, got 5 out of 5. You got 100%. You are an A-star student. I am definitely not an A-star student, but I'm gonna roll with that because that's good for me. So next we are on to science, and the first question is, what is the centre of an atom called? Now honestly, I revised so hard for science. I did get a B in the end, which was actually pretty good, I think. But I can't remember any of it. Is it a nucleus? Oh yes, got it right. Next one. Heating 5 grams of calcium carbonate produces 2.8 of calcium oxide. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide. This is maths. This isn't science. I'm so confused. I'm guessing it's 2.2. This is so easy, honestly. Name the ion which makes sulfuric acid solution acidic. Well, it's got to be an acid. I don't know which of these answers are acid. We've got sulfur, I don't even know how to say it, sulfate and hydrogen. Well, hydrogen is an acid. I'm going to go with sulfate. Oh, I got it wrong. It was hydrogen. Whoops. Polymers are used to make ballpoint pens. Now remember that polymers is a sort of plastic, something like that. Don't ask. Name the monomer used to make polyethylene. Polyethylene. Is it ethene? Yes, it is. Whoop whoop. Question 5. A chemist tests for sodium ions and potassium ions using a flame test. What colour flame were potassium ions produced in a test? To be honest with you, I've got no flipping clue, and the answers are lilac, red, yellow or blue, and I'm going to guess, and I'm going to go with red. And it's wrong, it was lilac, the most unlikely one there. But hey ho, we got 3 out of 5. I'm a C student. That's wrong, because I'm not. I got a B, but whatever. Next exam is GCSE English. Now, this I should be quite good at this because I'm doing English A-level. I'm doing English language at A-level, so hopefully I can do right well. Okay, when writing a formal letter to someone you do not know. Oh, okay, get it. You should begin with, "Hi, Mr. Smith. Dear John, dear Mr. Smith." Well, it's going to be dear Mr., isn't it? Yeah. Let's do this. Writing to advise is an example of style, purpose, or genre. I think it's purpose. And we're right. Which of these is not an intensifier? What the hell is an intensifier? I have no clue. We've got options of extremely, ridiculously, and nevertheless. I'm going to go with extremely because it sounds like it intensifies the sentence. Oh. I was wrong. It was nevertheless. According to Albert, what percentage of communication? I've never even heard of this guy in my life, but I've guessed, and I've guessed wrong. What a surprise. Which of these is not connective? Absolutely. On the other hand, however, absolutely, it's absolutely not connective. Yes, it is. I scored 10 out of 15 on this quiz. It's not telling me what grade I got, but hopefully I passed. That's the end of this video, guys. I'm pretty sure I passed a GCSE exam. I got a C in, what was it? A C in science. Got an A star in maths. Obviously not, but hey ho, we're going to roll with that. And I don't know what I got in English, but I got 10 out of 15, so that can't be all that bad, surely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of a fun one, a bit of a jokey one, but I hope you guys like these types of videos, and let me know if you'd like to see more by giving this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!